Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Witches, Bats, and Papercrafts video. Today I have another easy insert card for you. This is my Pumpkin Kitty insert card. How much fun is this? You have the machine drawing on the outline of the cat and the jack-o'-lantern. There's some bats here in the background, and then the cat is just kind of sticking through the jack-o'-lantern's mouth. Really cute. There's a spot on the inside for your message. And I include an envelope as well. Now, like all of my insert cards, this can be made with any Cricut cutting machine, from the Cricut Joy all the way up to the Cricut Maker and even the Cricut Venture as well. They come together really easily, and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your Cricut cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, a scoring wheel or scoring stylus, Cricut pen, scraper, brayer, glue and adhesive, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Witches, Bats, and Papercrafts 2025. If you're watching this video during the event, you can find the download button on the event page. If you're watching this after the event has finished, you can purchase the individual cut file in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. Or if you're interested in all event files, commercial licensing, printable worksheets, and bonus cut files, make sure to check out the VIP Access Pass. Links for both of these options will be in the video description below. No matter how you download the file, make sure to download the zip file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we'll be ready to open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that the project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's first find the envelope. That's going to be this group right here. Click on this icon to drop down the layers, highlight the score lines, come up to the operation menu and change those to score, highlight the group, and attach. And we need to do some converting to the card base. Click on this icon to drop down the layers, highlight this top layer, come up to the operation menu and change that to score. This second layer here is going to be what we want the machine to draw. So highlight that layer, come up to the operation menu and change that to pen, highlight the group, and attach. Once you've converted the score lines for the envelope as well as the card base, including the draw lines, go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this card. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out. It's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to fold and burnish the score line on the card base. Go ahead and open up the card, and I'm going to take the insert, feed that through the slits here on the card base. Just like that. I'm going to set the card to the side. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Let's take our inlay panel. We're going to add glue along the outer edge of the inlay. Flip the inlay over. Place it over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around. Bring those side flaps in. Add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With our thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our insert card is all set. How easy was this card to put together? You could totally change it up with a different color cardstock or a different color pen. It's totally up to you. I hope that you make it. If you make this card, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Witches, Bats, and Paper Crafts video. Bye-bye.